Without running an assessment on anyone here, this is a good roundabout number. Take the weight that you are right now and multiply that times 10. And what is that number? That's about what your calories need to be to maintain. So let's say that I have a 150-pound female, current weight, trying to get down to 120. That means that you need about 1,500 calories to maintain your current weight. If those calories, now hear me on this, if those 1,500 calories are empty calories, junk calories, you will begin to lose muscle and you will begin to lose metabolism, which means you gotta keep bringing that number down lower and lower. Does that make sense? If I'm eating quality calories for a while, as long as I'm sticking at 1,500, I am not going to see a lot of weight gain other than water and glucose from time to time.